Meaning of ignominy.
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 Ignominy. Ignominy refers to a state of dishonor or shame that comes from being involved in a disgraceful or embarrassing situation. It can refer to an event or action that causes a person to feel humiliated or degraded in the eyes of others. The result of experiencing ignominy is often a loss of respect, reputation, and social standing. A person who has been subjected to ignominy may feel embarrassed, ashamed, or guilty. The consequences of ignominy can be long-lasting and can have a major impact on a person's life and relationships.